welcome back to my channel. My name is Jarilotus Hernandez for those who don't know me, also known as Jarilotus. If you guys are interested on how I did this look, which is super easy, super simple, I use 2 shadows and that is all that I use. And if y'all are interested on wanting to recreate this, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off with moisturizing my face. I'm going to use an oil. This matte poreless from Maybelline, the Fit Me. This is my go-to, honestly. I love how it performs, especially in where I'm from. It's very hot, very humid, and I love to stay matte as long as I can. I normally don't start with foundation. I always start with my brows first and then I'll go in with foundation after. But since I want to cover my hair and make it appear lighter, I'm gonna put this all over my face. So I'm just gonna get started and get a nice even layer all over. That's on. I really don't wear that much foundation. I like a more of a natural finish, so I don't like to, especially when it's hot this summer, I don't want to have too much on my face and feel yucky and ugly and sticky. I don't like that feeling, so I go probably one even layer all around my face. So now I'm gonna go in with my brows. I'm just gonna start grooming my brows, brushing my hairs. Type of pencil I'm using the Milani Easy Brow eye pencil. It says it's water resistant. I haven't been in water with this, but the color is dark brown. Honestly, I'm really loving this concealer. I have nothing negative to say about it. I'm just happy that I'm finally able to be able to wear it and have it in my shade range, because every time I would go into the store, like the drugstore, to purchase some concealer, I heard so many good things about this concealer, and I was never able to use it because it wasn't in my shade. It just really sucks when you go into a store and your shade is not there. We love makeup too. But I'm just gonna keep on going and not get in that subject, because I'm gonna get in that. If I get in that subject, Lord. So I'll squeeze my beauty blender when I get to this area, and I'll kind of brush the makeup downwards. I'll squeeze, blend, and then work, move it downwards, and then that way creates that line. That's why I love using a darker foundation. Sometimes I don't even have to go in and contour, but I'll go in and contour a little bit with powder to just set that after I'm done. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more concealer because I forgot to conceal under my nose. want that concealer to be popping. So to contour my nose, I like to go in with like my foundation shade, because I really suck at contouring, but I don't like using colors that are like way too off. So I'm gonna use my foundation and I'm gonna just dip bottle like to the edge of the bottle, grab some product, and then I'm going to start right in the beginning of my brow, create that line. And then once I'm done with that, I'll use my beauty blender and squeeze it and lightly go over that. It's like a seamless look, you can't even tell. And that's what I like about this technique. And see how it looks? It's just popping. Oh my goodness, I hear my kid. I'm gonna pause real quick and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm outlining the bottom of my brow with the same concealer I used on my face, and I'm gonna do that to both brows. My son was not cooperating, so I had to switch and do a voiceover. So my son waking up from his nap early threw me off. I usually blend upwards to eliminate those harsh lines, and I always blend out my nose contour, but I was thrown off. But I'm gonna add concealer to both of my lids and make sure I blend that all the way out. I'm gonna set all over my face with this Makeup Revolution banana powder. This stuff, it's amazing. I bought it months ago and I still have a long way to go with this product. I spent $5 on it and it was worth every single penny. So cop you some. I'm gonna brush away all the excess powder, and then I'm gonna add some more powder, and then I'm gonna take off powder, and then I'm gonna add more powder. I'm just gonna continue to blend out powder. I'm obsessed with powder. You must have really thought I was playing. No, but I'm still taking off powder. We're about to get to the fun stuff. With this beautiful color right here, I'm gonna blend that out all over my crease. Make sure that I smoke it all the way out before I go in and put the color all over my lid. I like to build up my shadows. I like to start off with as little as possible and then go from there. It just creates a more blended, seamless look. So I'm going to wet my synthetic brush with some water, and I'm going to pat that color into my lid. I did this with this color, like wetting it, because the formula works great with it. Don't try this with certain colors, might not do the same thing, so just be careful whenever you do try this. Once I'm done packing in the color, I'm gonna blend out the crease, and you're gonna see me blending a lot, and that's the whole purpose of this video, just to create a blended, seamless look. So you are gonna have to spend time blending and blending and blending. This would also look so pretty with a little pop of glitter in the lid, that especially the color that was right next to it. I wasn't going for that type of look. I was just trying to do something quick and easy with one shadow. But girl, if you want to put some glitter, do your thing, because I know that will look so pretty. Gonna add mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I'm going to apply my falsies right after this, which I am bucked up. That is when I come to life. That is when I become Jarilotus. Hello, how you doing? Where you going? Do you have a man? Yes, boo. Leave me alone. I can't take myself serious. I'm gonna smoke out this color on my lower lash line. This is a must-have step for me. I like coating my eyebrows with clear gel and making sure I get an even coat. It just it looks less drawn in and more of a natural look, and that's what I love about it. Using the color in the contour kit from Smashbox, I'm gonna set my contour. Using the same bronzer from the palette, I'm gonna apply that to the top of my contour. I love this color on my cheeks. It just gives me this beautiful glow that I'm so in love with. Now it's time to line my lips with this espresso lip liner from NYX. Oh my god, that rhymes. Look at me. But yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna make sure I line my lips and then, you know, do my thing. Now it's time to glow like I'm glowing from within. I hope you guys are glowing from within as well. But I'm using this highlighter from Becca. I'm about to tackle this hair and I'm gonna be right back. Well, hello, I'm back. Who is she? I am me. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one eyeshadow look. Let me know if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you guys on the next one.